So hello everyone, my name is Srivatsan and in this video we are going to be reviewing the so-called best budget mechanical gaming keyboard in India, which is the Zebronics Max Plus, which comes at a price point of 2800 rupees and is equipped with Utemu blue switches, which is pretty good for the price range. And there's just so many other things that I want to talk to you guys about this crazy gaming keyboard. But before that, let us first see the unboxing of this product and then get into the review of this keyboard.
I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us.
Now I'm going to be dividing this video into 4 different parts, which is first the build quality, second the functionality, third the mechanical switches, and last the LED effects or the aesthetic of this keyboard. Now I don't know about you guys, but when I buy a keyboard, these are the 4 major points which I look out for. But other than that, dude, it's just a keyboard you simply cannot go wrong with. Now let us talk about the build quality of this keyboard. For just 2800 rupees, it comes with a solid build quality because the entire base of this keyboard is made up of an aluminium chassis. The keycaps are also made up of good quality plastic. It has got an interesting feature called the anti-dust design, which resists the dust from the external environment entering into your motherboard.
Cue tracks.
Let us talk about the aesthetic or the LED pre-modes of this keyboard. It has got 21 LED preset modes that you can navigate through, and it has got 4 levels of brightness and 1 programmable mode in which whatever key that you type, it will illuminate it when you put it in that display mode. Now let us talk about the mechanical switches of this keyboard. As I told you, it is equipped with Utemu blue switches, which is so tactile and clicky to type on. Especially with this blue switches, it is good for typing because the tactile feel and the sound that this blue switches just makes you want to type more. Now let us talk about the functionality of this keyboard. May it be gaming, typing, or simply just showboarding, this keyboard smashes all its criterias. With a minimum key travel of 0.2mm, this keyboard is by far the best and easiest keyboard to practice touch typing. And don't even get me started in its multimedia function. It has got 12 distinct multimedia keys with the FN key support. It has got a hotkey for mail, it has got hotkey for calculator. To conclude, I would only like to say not everything that has so many colors has to be cheap. Just give gaming keyboards a try and I'm pretty sure you will not regret it. And yeah, that was a review about the Zebronics Max Plus. If you liked today's video, go down and Hulk smash the like button. If you did not like today's content, go to the comment section and tell me how else I can improve. And yep, I am a budding YouTuber, so if you want to support me, subscribe to this YouTube channel. And as always, my name is Srivatsan, you're watching Tech Vibes, and catch you in the next one.